Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the bright LED desk lamp for home office. This is a great lamp for anyone who spends a lot of time working at their desk. It has a bright LED light that can be adjusted to the perfect brightness, and it also has a flexible neck, so you can direct the light where you need it. I've been using this lamp for a few weeks now, and I've been really happy with it. It's really bright, and the flexible neck is really helpful. I've also been able to adjust the brightness to the perfect level for my needs. In this video, I'm going to give you a more in-depth look at the lamp. I'll show you how to adjust the brightness in the neck, and I'll also give you my thoughts on whether or not I think it's a good value for the price. So, if you're looking for a new desk lamp, then be sure to watch this video. Let's get started. Here are some of the key points that you can mention in your intro. The product name: bright LED desk lamp for home office. The product features: bright LED light, flexible neck, adjustable brightness, eye-friendly, energy efficient. How easy the product is to use. Your personal experience with the product. How long have you been using it? What have you liked about it? What haven't you liked about it? Whether or not you think the product is a good value for the price. You can also end your intro with a call to action, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or leave a comment below.